Hello. Wagwan, big up yourself. Whether you're there yard or you're there abroad.
Welcome back to another video, Jump and Curry. We're going to be showing you our Kwanzaa food preparations.
Yeah, so today we are using the day to make some of the dishes that we're going to be using throughout the Kwanzaa period. Well, at least the ones that we want to prep today. We'll do some more prep tomorrow in preparation for the day after. So Eliona has already prepped her special kalaloo that she makes, and it's a delicious kalaloo she makes, and we're going to do some other prep. So let's just show you what's happening in the kitchen. So at the moment we have some gungu that we're going to be cooking up, and in this one we just put them on. We've got some kidney beans that we're cooking up as well, so we're going to let those just sit there and do their thing whilst we get the other things done. So the kalaloo has already been done and packed away, so we're just leaving it to cool now so that we can pack it away. And once that's done, so that's one of the things that we're going to use on. So this is going to be for day one with some tea, and we've got pots over there, and we've got some others that we're going to get out so we can get going. So do you want to say which rice we're making? And before you say the rice, we've got some canned tomatoes here, some blend up seasoning already, but we have some other ones here that we're going to blend. That's just chicken we're going to make for today. That's some beef we're going to prep season from tonight, so we have it for pot roasting for tomorrow in preparation for day one of Kwanzaa. So what's the rice we're prepping?
We have jollof rice, rice and peas, plain rice and gungu, and pilau rice.
So those are the rice that we're going to be prepping. We will have them throughout the 7-day period, so we will have different things on different days, or if people want to mix and blend, then they can also do that. But we have other things that we're going to be prepping, so we don't want to have to get up each day and having to do stuff, a lot of stuff. So we're just going to try and get as much of it done from now. So we'll show you some of the process as we're going through it. We're going to blend up the seasoning. So to kick start, we're going to blend up the seasoning so that we can get the jollof rice started first. So we're going to do that in here, and then once we've done that, we will get the pilau rice started, and we're going to do it in that other pot at the back. And in the meantime, as we've said before, our peas and gungu are cooking for that, and the plain rice we will do it either at the end of today, or we can do it tomorrow when we're prepping the pot roast. Now the stew is made. We've put all of the things we wanted in there, and it's ready to go, and it's waiting now for us to put the rice in. So we're just going to put the rice in. And then we're going to just cover it and let it simmer, and then go from there. The jollof rice is coming along well. The rice and peas is coming along well. And over here is the rice and gungu. We just put that in. So we stopped and did the rice and peas and the rice and gungu. And now we're going to prep our vegetable and everything, and our seasoning to get the pilau rice going. Stew is ready now for the pilau. So we just need to put the rice in, and we're just going to turn off the rice and peas. It was just on a low flame so far, so it's finished. And the same over here with the gungu on a low flame. And as said before, that one is finished, the jollof. So we'll do the plain rice on the actual day when we need the plain rice. So the rice is now in, and I'm just going to cover that and let it cook, and then the rice part of our preparation will be finished. With these prices, I'm just going to opt for buying, and we'll see. So there are options, and we're going to go with this one and just buy that, because the cost for them will work out a lot less than us buying this to go and make one. So we decided that we're going to come out and just relax for the afternoon after playing some catch ball. Then we decided that we were just going to sit on the grass and relax. We've managed to just put a blanket, a towel rather, on the grass, and we're just relaxing. So this is what our situation looks like. So we're just lying down, and then we're looking up to the sky
and admiring the
stars.
stars. That have nice everything.
Some memories just have to be made. Simple relaxation and quality time spent.
So we just had a few conversations and some sentence starters as we admire the sky and enjoy the cool breeze that we haven't had in a while.
We came out this afternoon when it started to get dusk, and we just decided to play a game of catch ball. And once we finished playing that, we decided to just rest in the cool breeze and just soak up the coolness. And we just decided that we're just going to put a towel on the lawn and just lie back and relax and look up to the sky and just be mesmerized by the stars. How was the experience for you?
It's quite cooling because we're exercising a lot when we were playing the catching game, and then we got to cool down by relaxing on the grass and looking at the stars, and do some sentence starters to make it more interesting.
Is this something you would do again?
Yeah,
Definitely.
but not alone. You
Okay.
cannot trust the outdoors wherever you are in the world.
So it's definitely an activity worth doing again.
Yes.
It was a nice, refreshing thing to do.
That's true. Oh, there's one up there. And there.
Yeah, that one's quite right.
There's only a few now. But there's lots over there.
Yeah, and if you look over there, there's
Oh.
lots over there as well, and back up there.
That's true.
It's a busy day in the Jam Fam kitchen?
So today I'm making fried beef with sour orange and some sugar and some water, and I separated them into 3 different bowls to allow 3 different flavors. So the first flavor is an original lemonade, the second flavor is a pink lemonade, and the third flavor is lemon and lime. And I'm sure that you've now caught on that everything has to do with lemon, as it's one of my favorite flavors of this. So first, I'm going to pour the lemonade one. Then pour the lemonade one. Whoa, that's a lot. And then the lemon and lime. If you haven't noticed, these are also Kwanzaa colors. So we have pink as red, a green, and then a marigold.
Those smell really nice.
So now I'm going to spread them out on the going to use more plastic bags. Now that they're all mixed out, I'll get back to you when they're all bubbed up. So these are the results of the sky juice, and in total I got 9 with the mixture I made and 3 of each colour. So I'm going to put them in the freezer and I'll get back to you with how it tastes. Now that this is the mixture, I'm going to taste. That's really nice.
Hello, hello, hello. Wagwan, big up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad.
Welcome back to another video, Jam Fam Tribe.
We are glad that you decided to spend some of your Kwanzaa period with us, looking at how we are spending our Kwanzaa and some of the preparations that we're doing. We want to say Joyous Kwanzaa and Habari Gani. Tell us in the comments below.
Bye for now.
See you in the next one. Joyous Kwanzaa.